I'm going to prove that you can find or come up with side hustles in unexpected places. And today, I'm exploring New York City Halloween stoops. New York City goes hard for Halloween. Skulls, a rat, bugs, a jar full of eyeballs. Halloween is one of the most lucrative side hustles, and people are searching for this stuff right now. Okay, first thought, look at this. It's perfect coloring book material. You could do 30 different pages featuring each different item on a different page. Skeletons, snakes, bats, heads on sticks, spiders, a giant ghost. What else could you ask for? And you can even expand it to different coloring books. You can even use AI tools to help you turn this into coloring line pages. Imagine this. You have one digital product, coloring book, and you can also upload it to Amazon and have it as a KDP coloring book. What do you think? Let's see what else we can find. Okay, moving on. Idea number 2, the best Halloween stoop digital guide. This could be something for a neighborhood, sell it on Etsy as a template, and they can customize it for their neighborhood and create a little neighborhood competition, and you can have the best stoop win. You can sell this on Etsy, Gumroad. You can even sell it on social media and a link in your bio. All you have to do is create a little competition and a little guide, some rules, and put it on Etsy for sale. AI can help you with this. Now, on to the next. Now check this one out. A little bit more upscale, a little bit more elevated. For idea number 3, we're thinking Halloween decor planner, something that the owner and the person that decorates can keep track of all the things they did, the lighting, the setup, the coloring, the placement, everything that they had the year before. They can keep a journal and they can notate all of this so they can remember it for the years after. You can sell this on places like Stand Store in your link in bio. You can sell it on Etsy. You can sell it in a KDP book. You can sell it as a digital download, a physical book, and in a link in your bio, all 3 places. So what do you think? This took planning, a budget, and preparation. So they're going to want to remember that every year going forward. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so this might be a little controversial, but idea number 4, spooky Halloween New York City art prints. Okay, so hear me out. These brownstones with the Halloween decorations, that's art. So why not sell it? People hang New York City art on their walls all the time. Why not spooky brownstones? You can create illustrated prints, get a designer to help you from Fiverr, and you can sell it on Etsy, a link in your Stand Store. You can share the link with your friends. Options are endless, but let's keep going. Okay, so idea number 5, and this one's for anybody with a decent camera or even a good iPhone. Halloween stock footage. You're already out here. You might as well take some high quality photos of some tombstones, witches, costumes, decor, upload them on Unsplash, Adobe, Shutterstock, or even your Etsy. Businesses, bloggers, social media managers, they all need Halloween content. One photo or video can sell hundreds of times, and now you have passive income from one walk. So idea number 5, Halloween stock photos. Let's move on to the next. Okay, idea number 6, I just came up with because I saw this behind me and I thought I would love to tell other people how to get here. And so I thought idea number 6 can be social media or a Google Map guide. All you would have to do is pull up your Google Maps, pin these locations, share them with your group, or you can create a digital map and pin these locations on them so people can find them when they're visiting New York or out on their walk. Everyone wants to know where the most Instagrammable stoop is in New York City, and this interactive or printable map will be able to help them. You can sell this on your Stand Store with a link in bio, or you can sell it on Etsy. So what do you think? Interactive digital map? Let me know. And idea number 7 is a DIY decoration guide. People see displays like this and they think 2 things. That's amazing, and how do I do it? All you have to do is answer that question. So you can create an ebook, how to create a show-stopping Halloween stoop display. You can make it step-by-step with photos. You can do budget breakdown by decor level, where to buy the supplies, which then you can have affiliate links, and how to arrange everything for maximum impact. Weatherproofing, rain, wind. You can sell this on your social media as a link in bio, Etsy, Stand Store, or you can sell it on Gumroad. Idea number 8 is Halloween lighting display tutorial, and this can really make or break your Halloween display. Look at these lights over here. Most people buy Halloween decor displays and they have no idea how to light it properly. That's where your tutorial can come in. What lights to buy, where to buy them, Amazon, Home Depot, and where to place them. You can also include cord and power management because that's super important. You can create this PDF guide with video links, photos, affiliate links, and you can sell it north of $8. You create it once and then sell it forever. On to the next. Okay, number 9 is for Canva templates for all of these different designs. You can do signs, tape, tombstones, and you can sell it on Etsy. See these details here? It makes it a super easy product. Sometimes people want the products done for them, and this is where you come in. Halloween stoop templates, and you can bundle them by 20. You sell the template and people can customize it. The colors, names, text, everything. You can sell the template bundle on Etsy for $8. You create it once and you can sell it forever. So look at this tape. Haunted, keep out. Caution, zombie. Haunted, keep out. It's awesome. I've even seen a lot of people customize the tombstones. Not for me, but it's pretty cool. On to the next. If you're somebody that goes this hard for Halloween every year, then this is the idea for you. Idea number 10 is the Halloween Decoration Journal Log. You can create a KDP book, Halloween decor journal and logbook. This will help everybody and yourself remember all the decorations that you did the prior year. It will also help you design your future Halloween stoop. Inside pages can be brainstorming ideas, sketch pages, budget, lighting, listing where you bought the items before, where you found them cheapest, spaces for photos, notes, and what worked and what didn't, shopping list by category, and planning timeline. You can design it on Canva, list it on Amazon KDP, you can sell it for $9.99. On to the next. And idea number 11, I'm going to ask an expert. Riveting. Printable door covers. Doors are always a focal point, and we've seen tons of them today. And you can design printable door covers. Spooky New York City brownstone door wraps. Make full-size designs that people can print in sections, print out, and tape together. Haunted door, monster mouth, portal effect, creepy hallway. Include assembly instructions and what pieces go where. This could be a digital download that you sell in a pack of 3 for $8 on Etsy. So idea number 11, printable door covers. I gotta go. On to the next. Okay, idea number 12, kids activity book. There's always tons of families looking for different ways to entertain their kids around Halloween. So why don't you make some of these stoop ideas into kids' activity books? You can do a New York City Halloween stoop scavenger hunt. Kids can check off items as they find them. Find a skeleton, find a witch in a tree, find a bat, find a skull, spot some cobwebs. Include pages for each neighborhood. You can have drawing pages, small maps, coloring pages, and space for photos. Make it fun and engaging. And parents will buy this before taking their kids on walks. You can post it on Amazon KDP, and you can sell it for around $8.99. What do you think of this idea? On to the next. Okay, idea number 13, our last one. This one is Halloween supply and storage affiliate list. All of these decorations, they had to be bought somewhere. And after Halloween, they have to be stored. That's where you come in. You can create a Halloween supply and storage guide, a curated list with Amazon affiliates sprinkled throughout. The exact storage, lights, and the supplies that they need to buy. Storage bins, waterproof containers, labels, and other things to help keep your Halloween decor organized. And you can sell this printable guide for $5 on Etsy. Let me know what you think. Halloween is coming up, but you can even replicate all of these ideas for other holidays. And you can have multiple hits per year. Skull and bones, candle, giant eyeballs. So there you have it, 13 side hustle ideas inspired by the Halloween stoops of New York City. Some of these you can create today, like the Canva templates, printable checklists, affiliate lists, and others might take a weekend. So which one was your favorite? And subscribe if you want to see the unexpected places that we go next. Side hustles are everywhere. You just have to train your brain to see them. Where should we go next? Stay tuned.